patch.
Yes.
We think.
There aren't any signs really, but it looks like this has to be it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're gonna do this short little one, and then we have a short little waterfall hike.
Yes.
It's supposed to rain this afternoon, so.
Yeah, it started out really foggy today, but it's really cleared up a lot. But the sun doesn't like
So
this.
hopefully the views will be gorgeous. They're supposed to be super pretty from up here. It's a little crowded.
Yeah, it is.
We thought we'd get here early enough it wouldn't be, but we were wrong.
Yep, we're wrong a lot.
Yep, we are. That's very true. All right, so here we go.
There we go.
Okay. This is kind of cute. It's still 0.4 miles. So it's why they're power lines.
Wow. Bad thing is, views don't show up as well in this as in real life at all.
What do you better do? Oh, look at this.
Look at that. That is amazing. Oh yeah. Or some crying a little, but not successfully. Well, here there's no sign, so hey.
So we were doing, I think this is just Falls on Little Branch, I think is what they're called. Super short. I can't even really remember how long.
Really pretty.
Yeah. You do like the pan thing.
are doing our wrap up. What was the name of these falls again? I always forget.
I think it's just like Falls on Little Branch.
Falls on Little Branch. Beautiful. It's like this enchanted forest. Wildflowers everywhere. Just the gurgling little creek. The waterfall is gorgeous.
Yeah, and the hike is like maybe 0.3.
Yeah,
maybe.
yeah. It's very, very easy. Very flat. Really pretty.
This has always been one of our favorites.
Yeah, we've come here several times already. But in the spring right now, I think this is probably my favorite time. Yeah, and Max Patch, yes. Max Patch was beautiful. The views were breathtaking. The only thing that we didn't like about it is it's pretty crowded.
It's very popular.
Yeah, and people go up there to party sometimes, so it's not like the best place to go at certain times.
Yeah.
Probably at night might not be a good idea.
Right.
Yeah, but it was gorgeous. And there's also an easier way that we found out. We saw the sign after we got back down, but we came down that way and realized it was a easier way to get up there. It's like 0.3 instead of 0.8,
Yeah.
right?
A little steeper, but no.
Yeah, a little steep, but not too bad. But it was a good day.
Yep. And it's supposed to rain, so we're headed home.
Yep. See you later.
We kind of took a shortcut back, so we're gonna climb through the fence.
There we go.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
Here you go. Oh, I guess I can get it.
That was easy.
I hope they weren't using that fence to try to keep people out, because they have failed.
Never mind. A bad idea.
That's a slippery rock.